Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Inarizushi. Inarizushi is a type of sushi. It's sushi rice packed in beanbag. The salty sweet beanbag is very flavorful and addictive, and you can't stop loving it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Inarizushi, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 10 Inarizushi. 1 cup of Japanese rice, 5 aburage deep fried tofu. For the beanbag, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. For the sushi vinegar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. And if you like, you can add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds to the sushi rice. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water don't have to be perfectly clear. And let's put the rice in the pot. It's 1 cup of rice, so let's add 1 cup of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and let it sit at least for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the beanbag. Prepare some paper towels and rolling pin. Place aburage. Between paper towels and roll it out. You can go aggressive. This will remove excess oil and makes it easier to open up the bag. 5 of them all together. Let's cut into half and open up. $300 milliliters of water and all the seasonings for the beanbag into the frying pan. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of hondashi. Let's put the aburage too. Turn the heat on and cook them over medium to medium-high heat as you flip them over from time to time until there is almost no broth left. I cook them for 10 to 15 minutes. And there is almost no broth left. Turn the heat off and just let it sit until it's room temperature. Back to rice. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. In the meantime, let's make sushi vinegar. In the bowl of vinegar, add sugar and salt. And let's microwave to dissolve the sugar and salt. I did little less than 1 minute at 600 watts. Give it a mix. And sushi vinegar is ready. The rice has been steamed for 10 minutes. So let's fluff and mix with the sushi vinegar. Fluff it first. Sushi vinegar all over. And mix. And if you mix it like this, you will have sushi rice paste. So make sure to slice to mix. It's soggy at the beginning, but after mixing it for 3 to 4 minutes, it will lose the sogginess. I mixed it for 3 minutes, and I don't see any sushi vinegar left at the bottom of the pot. And I still see each grains of rice. So I didn't mash it. Let's add the sesame seeds. Slice to mix. Cover it with damp cloth so that it doesn't dry and let it cool down to lukewarm. Now, I have sushi rice and bean bag both ready to go, so it's time to assemble. Prepare a bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time. The sushi rice is very sticky. Take one bean bag and gently squeeze so that it's not too soggy. Open it and put some sushi rice with wet hand. It's about 4 tablespoons of sushi rice. And close the bottom. There is another way to fill the bean bag. Take the bean bag, gently squeeze, and fold the opening in. Then put some sushi rice. all packed, and Inarizushi is ready to go. Let's try one. Itadakimasu. The sushi rice with the sesame seeds is very flavorful, and the beanbag is so juicy, and it's just so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Inarizushi goes here, and enoki mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. How about kakiage vegetable tempura for the main? I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!